Hey, well, hello YouTube, here with another unboxing, and it is the Blade Runner, the Final Cut Limited Edition Steelbook in 4K, released by Titans of Cult. I think this is their first release, so let's get this unboxing going. This is the UK release, and I know they released some in Italy and France. Comes in a nice plastic case. Have a good look at the Steelbook. Wow, nice. It's the back. Got the 2 drink coasters, which I'll open up in a minute. 2 discs. $4K. Nice artwork on it. And that is the Blu-ray. Drink coasters. They're okay. Now the pen. Let's see. Difficult to take out, huh? Well, I can't take the pen out, so it's just gonna have to stay in there. As you can see, I don't want to break the plastic on this because it's a nice case. You just put it back in there. Anyway, that's it for this unboxing. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and give me a thumbs up. And a Happy New Year to everybody out there. See you guys later.